Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. If you do happen to be new here, definitely stick around and consider subscribing down below. My name is Latasha and I am a freelance social media manager and video marketer, and I am in internet years about 90. In real life years, I'm about 29, but that puts me in that age bracket that's kind of like, what the heck is TikTok? So the other night I was laying in bed and was like, let me check out what TikTok is really all about. Let me see if there's anything on there that actually interests me or that could be helpful to my audience or to my clients. And I stumbled across the hashtag social media hacks and also the hashtag Insta hacks. And what I thought I would do in today's video is try out some of these social media hacks and give you my professional opinion and see if some of these social media hacks actually work for me. So let's do it, shall we? Okay, so this first one is TikTok specific, which obviously I needed because I don't know what I'm doing on TikTok. So let's check it out. Okay, looks easy enough. So when I go to save these TikToks, first of all, that alone the other night took me a really long time to figure out. But basically what you do when you save a regular TikTok is you go to the video, you click on this arrow thing, and then you click on save video. I noticed that some of them had that option and some of them didn't, so I don't know what that's all about. I guess it's a privacy setting maybe. But what she's saying, because what happens if I save this, it's gonna show their username stuff and all these other extra things on it. So if I do the same thing, go over to live photo instead. So we go to our camera roll. So now she says converted. So go to this little thing and save as video. And let's see. Yes, looks like it worked. So it does look like it has just a little tiny TikTok icon in the bottom right corner, but it does seem to work. I don't really know what the rules are for TikToks as far as saving them and distributing them. I'm gonna need to look that up, but that hack definitely works and I would give that a thumbs up. Okay, so this one looks pretty simple. So this one, she is showing how to get some cool Instagram story stickers. Okay, these are all very hard for me to remember though. I feel like I need to type these out. You know, one thing that I think Instagram really needs to have is like a favorite sticker. I think that would be iconic if you could have a little folder. So let's take a little selfie. Got our little selfie. Let's type in Gladys. I think those are the same ones, right? Green Datori. Ooh, those are, oh my gosh, I love these ones. Green Datori are like so my vibe. They're just all white sketches, super cute. So it seems to work. I would definitely say that that hack checks out. And if you guys are looking for more cute Instagram story ideas, I guess go on TikTok because they have the repository of where to go. Okay, so this one looks fun.
I'm going to show you an easy way on how to make an Insta story collage. All you want to do is pull up Insta stories, take a picture of anything random, then go to the pencil icon at the top to change the background. You can pick whichever color you want. All you have to do is hold the screen down and that's when it will change colors. Now go to your photo album. Once you have your photo, go to the export tab on the bottom left-hand corner, click copy photo, pull up Instagram again, and then it should appear as a sticker, but if it doesn't, there is a different way to do it. Do everything the same, pick which photo you want, and this is where it's different. You can click on the screen itself and push paste, and then the photo will appear like that. You can add as many photos as you want. It's really fun to play around with.
Okay, I get it. I'm picking up what she's putting it down. So I actually just learned this hack the other day, or no, it was a couple weeks ago now, but it is pretty cool. So basically she's saying just take your random picture. We already have that random selfie going. So that's just as a base, as a background image. So then she says to use the pencil icon and choose a color. Let's do pink. And you can just hold down the screen, boom. I knew that one too. That was in one of my Instagram hacks video. So that one works. And then she's showing the copy and paste trick. So this one is pretty cool. Go into your camera and find a picture that you want to insert. Okay, let's just do this weird selfie. So you copy. So you use that little like, I don't know what this thing is called. What is this called? This little box with the arrow coming out of it. You click on that and you click on copy photo. She's saying if you go back to Instagram, it should pop up. which it's not. That's not working for me. So I learned the other way, which is where you click on the text thing, you click and you click paste, and there you go. Does it work for more than one though? Because I've only done one. Let's try Collage, do the, oh no, same thing, paste. Yep, totally works. So you can do different collages, and then she's just showing how to do your little fun text. I guess I'll just say that. Flip it. I'm trying to be like this girl because hers was real cute. Do some drop shadow. I actually heard, you guys, that Instagram is coming out with different text options natively in the app, so we won't have to do these weird little drop shadow things, which I still can't do clearly. But okay, so that definitely checks out. So basically she's showing how to do a collage. You copy and paste, add things in. Let's see, did she do anything else? She also recommends adding some little sparkly GIFs in there. So let's see, sparkle. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so mine is clearly not as cute, but I can totally see how this would work. So I'm gonna go ahead and say that that one checks out as well. All right, next hack is for better iPhone photos, which, you guys, I am like the world's worst selfie taker. I never post selfies because I never take them. I never look good in them. That one selfie that was in my camera roll was such a fluke. I swear I only did it because this is the first time I did my makeup in like a week. So I'm really bad at this. So she's showing, okay, wait, I'm already confused. She's putting it into portrait mode. And then she is clicking. There's some, when she goes into portrait mode, there's like a little lighting thing. I don't think my camera has that. Let's see. Let's see here. Okay, so go into camera, go into portrait mode. I never shoot in portrait mode. Yeah, I don't think I have that. I have an iPhone 7 Plus. This is old. As a social media manager, I realized I should probably have a little bit more of an up-to-date device, but I don't know, I just haven't really found the need for one. Yeah, I don't think I have that. Okay, let's see if there's anything else that does work. This looks so cool though. So if you do have an iPhone that's a little bit more up to date, this looks amazing. I feel like I need one now. No wonder my iPhone photos suck. I have like this ancient device. Okay, what else is she doing? There's an f-stop button here. Do I have that? I do not think I have this. So go back to portrait. I definitely do not have an f-stop. So she is changing her f-stop on her camera on her iPhone. I don't have that either. So unfortunately, this hack is going to be a no for me, but I would say, again, I'm 90 years old in internet years, so I would guess that most people on TikTok have newer devices and it totally would work for them. It's not working for me, but maybe I'll update you guys if I do get a newer iPhone one of these days and I actually find that it works. All right, I'm gonna try one more and I think you guys are gonna like this one. So Diana Gets Social. She says to save the images into your folder, create a folder called like your brand palette or whatever for Instagram, and then shoot your story, and then take your brand images, your brand palette. Okay, I like this. I'm seeing where she's going here. I really enjoy this. Okay, so let's give this a shot. Go to Google Images. Let's see, I'm going to do a pastel rainbow color palette. Okay, this is not working. Hello. Save. Okay, I'm just gonna take a screenshot. This is too complicated. I honestly think that's what she did anyway. Plus, there we go, new album. And I'm gonna do Instagram brand album, whatever. Okay, and then I'm gonna add this into there. And let's just, I'm just gonna go to Twitter or something and grab one of my logos real quick. Okay, add it to my album. Oh my gosh, add to album, Instagram brand. Okay, so I'll just do those two for now. So I'll go back to my Instagram story. Let's take a new one. Let's start over. I'm not into this. She did a boomerang, so I'll do a boomerang because I'm a copier. Paris filter, always. Okay, and then what she's saying, wait, what did she say to do next? Do the copy trick, right? The copy trick. So go into the brand album, copy the palette, copy that, drop it in. Oh wait, did you guys see it? It popped up. It went away now, but it did pop up for like a brief second. Okay, so we have that. So basically what she's saying is when we use this little color dropper, and I'm gonna make this the green for my brand colors. Oh my gosh, it'd be great if I could spell. Okay, brand colors. And then I'm gonna do another one to do that little drop shadow trick, which I know how to do, kind of. Brand colors, and I'm gonna use the purple. Okay, this is really cute. And then I can add my logo. Ooh, I like this actually. I kind of really like this. Maybe I should rebrand. Okay, so copy again, copy photo. Do you see it? It popped up. It actually worked that time. Okay, the only thing is it showed up square, which I don't like, so I'd have to do a transparent version, but I could do that moving forward. Oh, I actually love this, you guys. This is actually pretty iconic. And then what she's saying is after you get all of your brand stuff and all of your, let's see, let's do a little squiggly behind this. We'll do this, the blue color. Ooh, okay, that was not good, but you get the picture. Okay, she's basically saying once you have all of that done, you drop your color palette into the trash after you have all of your colors that you needed. That is super, super smart, you guys. This is probably the best hack I think that I saw today. And I'm actually going to go ahead and do this. Not just for me, but also for my clients. I'll do a color palette and you could easily just go into Canva or PicMonkey and create your own little color palette if your brand has specific brand elements and colors and stuff that you need. I love that, super smart. All right, so I would definitely say that that one is another thumbs up. So far we're at 4 out of 5 TikTok hacks that actually worked for social media. So I think that is pretty good. Again, that 5th one I'm sure does work, just not for people like me. So maybe I'll need to upgrade my phone and let you guys know how that works. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. I learned a couple things. I hope you guys did as well. If you guys have any TikTok tips for me, or if you think there was anything else that I would like to check out on TikTok, please let me know down below, because I understand as a part of my job in this digital world, I do need to understand what's going on nowadays on the socials. So if you guys have any favorite people to follow or things to look up, let me know. I'm not just interested in social media and digital marketing. I also like music and beauty and fashion and things like that. So definitely hit me up. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this in the future. You can leave me a thumbs up down below if you enjoyed this video. And of course, comment down below, say what's up, let me know what's going on in your life. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.